Awake on 9, On Your Side at 10 starts now.
9 on Your Side's more than year-long investigation into public corruption in Pima County takes another turn. This time, the focus shifts to the Pima County Attorney's Office and how it's handled federal and state anti-racketeering or RICO dollars, seized criminal money that become public funds. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Valerie Cavazos. Kevin Boughton has the night off. Our IA team examined piles of public records, and they reveal some questionable spending and reporting practices by the Pima County Attorney's Office. Before we get to that, you should know I requested an interview with County Attorney Barbara Lawal. She agreed, so we would be prepared, or she would be prepared. I provided her with a preliminary set of questions. Then days later, she bowed out of the on-camera interview and instead emailed a written response because she said she wanted to include more details. In the response, Lawal stated she followed state law and federal guidelines to the best of her knowledge. Tonight, what we discovered that has legal experts raising serious red flags. Huge pots of money, millions of dollars in RICO funds are handed over to County Attorney Barbara Lawal each year. Her office doles out the money to itself and law enforcement agencies in Pima County to help fight crime. Aaron Ludwig worked in the Attorney General's office for 6 years, in charge of analyzing RICO laws and guidelines.
The Pima County Attorney's Office is overseeing and making sure that all the monies that go into the sub-accounts for all the law enforcement agencies are handled appropriately.
Now the office that oversees the agencies is in question. A few months ago, I was handed documents from someone who made a public records request 3 years ago. These are the Pima County Attorney's RICO expenditures in 2013. The records include a list of 59 nonprofit community and government agencies under the category Pima County Attorney Gang and Drug, totaling over $228,000. I recently made the same public records request to the County Attorney's Office and received these documents. The formats are very different, but contain essentially the same information, with one exception. The document that lists the agencies. Take a look. This newer document, now under the heading Aid to Agencies, is stripped of 5 columns. Notably absent, the category Pima County Attorney Gang and Drug. That's a critical category because this entire list of nonprofit agencies, the amounts and descriptions justifying the expenditures, have to be reported quarterly to the state under Gang and Substance Abuse Prevention Education. Take a look at this comparison of a Pima County Sheriff's Department quarterly report. The county attorney's report should look similar, but nothing is entered. We checked the quarterly reports for 2011 and 2015 and discovered the same thing. Pima County Attorney Chief Deputy Amelia Kramer's explanation: they discovered a year and a half ago that someone on the staff failed to complete the detailed pages.
So the watchman, essentially the overseer of Pima County Attorney's Office, needs to have someone watching it.
Another stripped column contains the voucher numbers. Using those numbers from older public records, we were able to get the program descriptions that justify the expenditures. This is Paul Avalar, an attorney in the Institute for Justice's Arizona office. He describes potential abuses in the system.
What looks like could be, anti-drug education might turn out to be money to a nonprofit that is closely linked with an elected official. Money for advertising for the agency may turn out to be what would be otherwise, or what should be, illegal politicking on the government dime.
So what is allowed? We checked state law. It stipulates programs should have a criminal justice nexus, hence the Gang and Substance Abuse Prevention Education category. Here's the allowable list: gang prevention, substance abuse prevention and education, crime victims assistance. But in Lawal's written response, she includes youth programs and activities to the list. She referenced a federal guideline, which allows programs that are supportive of and consistent with law enforcement efforts. The guideline also gives the example of a youth program with drug and crime prevention education. Both legal experts pointed to a list of questionable nonprofit community expenditures by Barbara Lawal, starting with 2 $5,000 checks to the Weather Bus, a rolling science laboratory.
That would also be impermissible. That does not have an anti-gang or anti-drug component.
Lawal approved $600 to the Tucson Hispanic Chamber of Commerce and $500 to the Pima County Sheriff for events recognizing accomplishments of staff. The Juneteenth Festival Committee received $2,000. Lawal approved nearly $4,000 for neighborhood associations.
Neighborhood associations, generally they fight blight and pay for graffiti removal, but that's not anti-gang.
The legal experts question expenditures to nonprofits like Metropolitan Education Commission, Big Brothers Big Sisters, Girl Scouts.
And they may be for good things. We all like money for Boys and Girls Clubs or the YMCA or what have you. But what's the government, what's the public really getting back from these sorts of expenditures? And sometimes it looks like these expenditures are done again for political reasons, to win political favor.
And with no real oversight on how the community agencies spend the money, that could lead to abuse of the public funds.
The government is not supposed to hand out government money to private organizations without some sort of return on that.
Meaning the YWCA, which received $25,000, would have to give the state $25,000 worth of anti-drug and gang services. Otherwise, it's a gift. The legal experts say that's a violation of state law, pointing to the gift clause in the Arizona Constitution. And the dollars add up, more than $500,000 in just these 3 years.
There are a number of questions that need to be answered here, both legally in the judicial system, but also for the public to know really what's going on with what are, at bottom, government funds, public funds. How are they being used?
And we examined other spending of RICO funds by the Pima County Attorney's Office, which again, the legal experts are raising red flags. Our investigation continues in the coming days. Now, Barbara Lawal says she again followed state law and federal guidelines to the best of her knowledge, and we have more on her written response on our website, KGUN9.com.